They threatened me over a 20-foot strip of driveway. 20 feet. That's all it was. My driveway runs along the edge of my neighbor's property before opening onto the county road. It's been that way for over 15 years. Surveyed, recorded, clean title. But when a new family bought the house next door, they arrived with different ideas. The husband came over during their first week. "We've reviewed the plat map," he said. "That lower section of your driveway cuts too close to our boundary. We're going to need shared access." I told him calmly there is no shared easement. The entire driveway sits on my parcel. He didn't like that answer. A few days later, wooden stakes appeared along the edge of my drive. Then spray paint markings. Then a contractor measuring from their fence toward the gravel. When I confronted them, they escalated. "You're encroaching," he said. "If you don't agree to split usage, we'll block that section." Block it. Over 20 feet. I didn't argue. I went inside and pulled my closing documents. The boundary survey was crystal clear. The 20-foot strip they were claiming was fully inside my legal description, backed by a recorded plat from 1998. Instead of shouting across fences, I hired a licensed surveyor to remark the line with permanent steel pins and bright boundary caps. Then I sent a certified letter through my attorney demanding they cease interference and remove the stakes immediately. That's when the real threat came. "If you push this," he said, "we'll tie you up in court for years." Here's the thing about threats. They only work if the other person is unsure. I wasn't. My attorney filed a formal declaratory judgment action, not just to defend the strip, but to legally confirm ownership on record. Once filed, the burden shifted to them. They had to prove I was wrong. They couldn't. The court reviewed the deed history, the survey, and aerial records showing the driveway's consistent location for over a decade. The judge didn't entertain intimidation tactics. A ruling was issued confirming the 20-foot strip as exclusively mine. They were ordered to remove all markers and cease any interference. My legal fees were partially awarded. After that, the threats stopped, the stakes disappeared, and the driveway remained exactly where it had always been. It was never about 20 feet. It was about assuming pressure could replace proof. So I let the law handle it, and the law handled it just fine.